So just put a lot in this time. You can see this is more yellow, so I got more concentrated sodium iodide. I mixed up some more, hoping that would help. Also, I got a new bottle of Aqua Seal, but I didn't go buy it. I found it. I was hoping it would be newer than the other one. And when I tried it, it worked better. And hopefully today it'll still work better. I'm going to put 70 mils into the graduated cylinder.
Do 100 mils.
I don't do it. 75 mils. That's more than I've ever used. This could get crazy. Now I'm coming in with a lot of soap.
Soap it up.
Soap looks weird in it.
It does.
Now I'm going to shake this all up and try to evenly distribute the soap throughout the Aqua Seal.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to happen.
It's not going to work?
I was about to say thank you. That's it's my way too.
Why do you think it stays together like that? Different kinds of density.
Yeah, plus the soap's pretty old. I got a brand new thing of Dawn that I'm going to use to make our bubbles with this time. My bubbles, the density of the bubbles, we'll be the first class to do it. So the bubbles, the density, as the more the bubbles run, the better the density is, and the better the density, the higher the flame goes. Because if the density is like, if it's really wet, yeah, for the hand on fire thing.
Oh.
We're going to use Dawn to make the bubbles. Alright, and so if the bubbles are really low in density, the bubbles almost want to float off in your hand. And so the flame's going to go up to the ceiling almost every time. In fact, we can throw bubbles, and then the bubbles start to float up, and I run and light them really quick. It's pretty cool. Sometimes the bubbles, when that happens, the bubbles are, your hand doesn't feel like it burns as long, but the flame's more impressive for pictures. But
can you watch that? She's videotaping.
the bubbles,
like gas and Dawn.
the bubbles are low. If the bubbles are low in density, then your hand feels like it's burning more, but the flame doesn't go up as high. So we'll see how the density is when we do it.
What do you do with?
You have Dawn, and you have Walla, and you have methane gas. That's all you need. I'm gonna try like 7 mils. Now some people say they tried it with propane, and propane burns pretty hot. I wouldn't try that.
Burn your hand.
Also propane, the density of propane. Methane CH4. And what is density? Mass divided by volume. Well, propane C3H8. And you can see there's a lot more mass there. And so therefore, it's too heavy really to be an impressive, or to use for that source. Here we go. Hopefully this works this time.
Yeah.
Elephant toothpaste.
That's the best I've ever seen.
Points.
Really, no, really.
Don't go too far.
Oh, God.
Ah.
Don't go over the tray.
It's done. Look at all the heat. It's got it. It's going over it.
Is it going over?
Yeah.
It's about to as soon as it goes down the
Don't
side.
do it. Listen to your daddy.
Is it gonna like burn the desk?
That'd be
No,
cool.
but it'll stain stuff.
It's all good.
Did anybody, I forgot to ask,
Paper.
yeah, we saw what it did to the paper. Who wants to be the test person to stick their finger in there and then come back next class and tell us what happened?
I will.
Go ahead.
That's the points for.
I want you to put your finger in that part and then go wipe it off on one of the paper towels.
Dedication.
Get in there real good. That's good.
If I stick my whole hand in it, do I get like double the points that he gets?
No, I didn't.
Alright, wipe it off real good. Alright. Now I predict that in 2 days, Head will have a purple finger.
That'd be so awesome. I swear I'd stick my whole arm in there.
Alright, we're gonna test him. When he comes back with his fingers falling off, I didn't tell him to do that.
It's good enough, actually.
You might want to go wash it real quick.
It's fine.
Alright. Don't do it, Bush.
Yeah, right.
Bush